In this video, I'll be showing you how you can upload bidders using a CSV file. So this is a really handy way if you have loads of bidder information and you want to do a batch upload. Instead of having to input the bidders' full details one by one, you can just upload this file here and you'll save yourself a lot of time. So the first thing I want to show you is how to access the import bidders function. And that's of course under the bidders tab at the very top. And you scroll down to where it says import bidders. This will be your upload section, and I would highly recommend for your first time to download both of these files, the upload template or the sample data. So I'll just go ahead and download both so I can show you what the format looks like. So this is the sample data, and this includes every single field that is accepted. Of course, not all the fields are mandatory to create the bidder account. I'll be showing you which fields are mandatory just in a minute, but this is the format anyway. First name, last name, the address, phone number, email address, username and password. That's all pretty standard information. And then you can even check or uncheck tick boxes by using 0 as a unticked and 1 as ticked. So for example, if I was to import this file and have 1 where it says banned, once the bidder is uploaded, he would be automatically set to banned. Consignor IDs, if you want to add these to a consignor, you can add in their ID. Same with the salesperson ID or affiliate ID. If you want to link this bidder account with any of these fields, you're totally capable of doing that. Second email, company name, second address, anything like that can also be added. Here are some more fields that have the 0 and 1 functionality for yes and no, checked or unchecked. Shipping address, information is here. Shipping methods, as well as the preferences for communications and where they heard you from or heard the website from. If they want output notices, if they want closing alerts, if they want to receive any information by text or cell number, you can also add all of that in here. And you can of course download the sample data, which I should have here as well. So this is just the exact same format. It has every single field from the sample data, and it's just a fresh blank slate for you to add more fields. You can add as many bidders as you want, but once you're finished on your numbers or spreadsheet file, you can save it and export it as a CSV file. It'll be very important, so I'll do that now with the import bidders sample data. So on the actual software, I'm going to export this to a CSV file. Exporting the spreadsheet. Let's add it, sure, why not, on the desktop. And then I'm just going to go ahead and upload the data file on the website, on my desktop. There it is. Be sure to click on upload once you have picked the file. And then the next page you'll see here is the map fields page. On this page, you just want to make sure that the information that is uploaded from the CSV file matches the information on the computer. So the left column is the columns on your file that you uploaded, and then the columns in the middle here in the database are the fields that they will get attached to in your website. So just be sure that everything matches up correctly, that for example the first name column matches the first name in the database. And if anything is incorrect, you can always change it by clicking on the column in the database here and selecting the appropriate field that it's meant to be in. And then once you're happy with all the information and everything looks correct, just scroll down to the bottom of the page, and to finalize the import, you just click on the import button. And then the next field will be the results. 5 records on file, 5 of them have been successfully imported, and 0 have been ignored. So what that means is basically the 5 customer accounts were updated successfully, And the very last thing I want to show you is just the mandatory fields that need to be filled in. And if you forget, you can check this yourself on your website. Go to any bidder account, open their fields, the account, and all the personal information here that has the is mandatory. So name, address, state, zip code, phone number, email, and username, password are all mandatory. But that's it for this video. I hope you found this useful, and thank you again for watching.